This is the summary of the poem Death Be Not Proud by John Donne. Death Be Not Proud belongs to the series of Folly sonnets. This sonnet was published in the volume Songs and Sonnets in 1633. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDD, CEE. In this poem, poet is personifying death, and this poem is addressed to death. Now I am coming to the text of the poem. So poet starts the poem by saying these lines, death be not proud. So here poet is directly addressing the death. The death doesn't need to feel proud, okay, and arrogant, though some have called thee mighty and dreadful. Now he is saying that some people are scared of death and they call death to be powerful. But death is not powerful in reality. For thou art not, so means death is not powerful, and we do not need to get scared of death. For those whom thou thinkst thou dost overthrow, die not. And now he is saying to death that if death thinks that death has killed people, but death doesn't kill people in reality. Actually, death liberates people from the prison of their bodies and their souls get free. Okay, so that's why death cannot kill the poet as well. Okay, and death is like sleep, the kind of comfort and rest we get from sleep. Similarly, the same kind of pleasure we get from death. Okay, so from rest and sleep, which but thy pictures be. So sleep is also like death. Sleep is similar to death. Then from thee much more must flow. So we get better comfort and rest from death. Okay, and that's why virtuous and good people die young. Okay, because they get liberated from the prison of their bodies and their souls get liberated and they go to afterlife. Come to the next lines. And now he's saying that death is a slave to fate, chance, kings and wicked people, and also poison, war and sickness, because all of these things cause death and are behind death. And poppy or charms can make us sleep as well. And now he's saying that opium and other drugs also have kind of magical properties which provide us better sleep. Okay, which is better than the death as well, because it is painless. Why swellest thou then? And now he's saying that death doesn't need to feel proud and arrogant. Swellest means swelling with pride. One short sleep past. So when they die, when people die, it is a short sleep. Okay, it is a short sleep, and then they wake up in afterlife. And what happens then in afterlife? Death won't visit them, death won't come to kill them, and their death will die and their souls will become eternal, their souls will become immortal, and death won't be there. And here the poem ends.